Well, hello there. The subject is how fungi make a living, and it has to do with those threads. What are they called? Hyphae. What's a whole bunch of threads called when you have a web? It's called a mycelium, yes. And where do you usually find these hyphae and these mycelium operating? In dead stuff, yes. Sometimes it's in live stuff, in which case the fungi would be a parasite, but most of the time it's decomposing dead stuff. How does that work? Very, very simple. Here we go. What are those hyphae? What are those hyphae? They are cells filled with cytoplasm, and they have nuclei. And so, how do these threads then function as far as how the fungi make a living? Well, what is decomposition? It's like digestion, basically the same process. And these threads, what do? They secrete digestive enzymes. Well, we're familiar with digestive enzymes. You know, we got them in our pipeline here. And what's the basic job description of a digestive enzyme? Very simple. Turns big molecules into small molecules. So the digestive enzymes seep out into the surrounding dead tissue and turns it into smaller molecules, breaking down the larger into the smaller molecules. And so as time goes on, these threads are surrounded with the smaller digested molecules. And what do? They simply do this. They simply absorb the digested material. They absorb the digested material. Pretty simple, huh? So again, these hyphae, they are cells. They have cytoplasm, nuclei. They secrete digestive enzymes into the surrounding dead tissue. It turns that surrounding dead tissue into smaller molecules, larger to smaller, and so these threads become surrounded by the smaller molecules, and they absorb the smaller molecules. They absorb the digested material. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the fungal way of life. That's it. Bye-bye.